The holidays are just a few months away, and that unique autumn feeling is beginning to set in. As you start to think about gift giving, consider the ultimate gift, a home that's been beautifully refreshed and transformed to fit your life. Now is the perfect time to begin your design journey with our Phase 1. We'll capture your vision in detailed sketches as the leaves fall and the air grows colder. Then, with the winter months ahead, we can finalize every detail, ensuring your new home is ready to be revealed when spring arrives. The perfect gift isn't wrapped in a box. It's waiting to be built. Visit us online at freshstartdesignsco.com or call us at 610-624-2164. Revive your home with Fresh Start Designs.